If you're struggling installing UpRock AI Reward and Task app, then in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix can't install UpRock app from Google Play Store. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel to your Gmail before you can search for your app. However, if you are already logged in but unable, then just tap on your profile icon here and scroll down to settings. Under settings, look for network preferences, tap on it, and you want to look for this app download preference. Here, make sure you choose the first option over any network. By choosing this will ensure you can download and install this app via the current network you are connected to. Save the changes by tapping on OK, and now you should be able to download and install your app. However, if you can't, then the problem might be with Play Store. For that, you need to access Play Store app info page by long pressing on Play Store, and you should see app info. But on some phones, you might be missing this. You should have a settings gear around here, or even the name of the app. Just tap on any of this to access Google Play Store app info page. So here first we need to force stop the app here by tapping on OK. This will ensure all background activities on Play Store app that might be hindering the performance of this app are stopped. Then you need to clear the app data. So if I go to storage here, you can see a breakdown of data stored by this app, and of importance is this cache data. When you talk of cache data, these are just small files that Google Play Store normally gathers and stores to enhance user experience. However, when these files accumulate, they might cause Google Play Store app to malfunction. Currently, I have around 5.94 MBs of cache data that needs to be cleared. I'll clear it by tapping on clear data down here and then choose clear cache and finally OK. At this point, you will need to restart your smartphone and now go to Google Play Store and let's search for our app. So I'll search for UpRock Earning, and if I run now the search, we have our app here. Let's see if we can now install the app. And look at that, now I'm able to download and install my UpRock AI Reward and Task app. So that's how you can fix can't install UpRock AI app. And just a final note, if this is still not possible, then you might want to check if you have enough space. If you don't have, free up some space on your phone by deleting unnecessary files before you can install the app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.